Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download songs through Cellular in the Spotify app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, and then we tap on settings and privacy. Then we scroll down and tap on data saving and offline, and here under downloads and streaming we can tap on downloads over Cellular. What this does is that if you want to download a song, it's going to be able to use our mobile data to download these songs and not necessitate the Wi-Fi connection to make it possible. Yeah, I guess that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.